Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool strip diagram. We are focusing on equal groups with a problem related to TEKS 5.3c, and we'll solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got a school supply company packing a whole lot of pencils into the boxes. And look at this statement right here. Each box holds exactly 36 pencils. Okay, so when we see something like that, that lets us know that we are probably dealing with equal groups because this statement right here, each box exactly holds, and then it tells us 36 pencils. But this is a signal when we see a statement like this that we are dealing with equal groups. And when we are dealing with equal groups, there are, other than the equal groups term, there are three things that we're looking for. We're looking for the total, the number of groups, and the number in each group. We're going to be given two of those, and we need to find the third. So a school supply company packed 2,340 pencils into boxes. That is not the number in each box. That is not the number of boxes. That is the total number of pencils. So let's label this as our total. And now we need to figure out 36 pencils. Each box holds exactly 36 pencils. All right, so these pencils, the 36 pencils, those are going to represent the number in each group. All right, so we're looking for, I said we're looking for the number of groups, the number in each group, and the total. They're going to give us 2. So we don't have the number of groups, and that's what they're asking here. What's the greatest number of complete boxes the company can back? So this is going to be the number of groups. Well, if you know your equal groups, then it's pretty good because you know which operation we need to do right now. When they give you the total, and then they give you the number of groups, the number in each group, and you're looking for the other number of groups or number in each group, that means we're going to divide because we've got 2,340 pencils. I'm going to draw this right here. 2,340 pencils. So that's my total. Now, I have sets of 36. Each box holds 36. And so I'm going to draw this right here. I'm going to draw 36. And then I'm going to say, what is the greatest number of complete boxes? I'm looking for the number of groups. And so I'm going to draw it like this. There are a few different ways you can represent this if you want, but that's how I represent looking for the number of groups. And so I just want to know how many 36s can you get into 2,340? And I think it's going to be 60 something because look at my four answer choices. They're all 60 something. All right, so let's go ahead and divide here. So we're going to divide 36 to 2,340. So we're going to think of 36s, and we are going to think, does 36 go into 2? No. Does 36 go into 23? No. 36 needs to go into 234. And if we don't know, obviously, let's use our clues here. Let's say, well, let's try a 6. Okay, let's figure out what that 6 is. And that's going to be 36, 218, right? It's going to be 18, so 21, so 216. Okay, so 216 is going to be as close as we can get. Sometimes if you don't have the answer choices to choose from, you're just going to have to guess and check a little bit to figure out how much that 36 can go into the 234. Okay, so let's see what we have left. 2, and that's going to be 18, 180. All right, so I think it's going to be less than 6. I'm going to try 5, because if I multiply by 5, I'm going to get a ones place of 0, right? So that's going to be 30, and I want 0. So that's 15. There we go. That's 18. All right, so 180, and there we go. So 36 goes into 2,340 65 times. And if you want, you could double check your work back like this. And you would get 14. That's going to get your 3. All right, so 2340, it all checks out. Our answer is C.